Samsung fans, get ready. There's a new flagship on the horizon, and it's going to blow your mind. Here are the top 5 reasons the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to become the smartphone to beat in 2024. Let's dive into all the juicy details and see what makes this powerhouse stand out. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung's most advanced phone yet, will be launching soon, and it's packed with innovations from performance to design. There's a lot to get excited about, especially if you're a fan of top-of-the-line tech. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you found this video informative, and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Introducing the Kokushu X40Q, your all-in-one wireless charging and stand solution. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, or any phone support MagSafe simultaneously with 15-watt and Qi 2 fast charging technology, compact, foldable, and travel-ready. Power up anywhere, anytime. Kokushu, charging made easy. Get yours today and save 10% using our coupon code at kokushu.co. Let's back to our video. First up, let's talk about the display, and Samsung has outdone itself. The S25 Ultra will feature an impressive 6.86-inch screen, larger and even more immersive than the previous model. But what's most exciting, it's the brand new flat frame. Yes, Samsung is ditching the curved edges, which means you'll get an even sleeker, sharper look. Now imagine this: crystal clear Quad HD plus resolution and a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate for the ultimate viewing experience. This screen is literally designed to impress, whether you're scrolling, streaming, or gaming. Plus, Samsung's reportedly adding a new LED composition to enhance viewing angles, making sure your visuals are vibrant from every direction. Alright, I want to hear from you. Are you team curved or team flat when it comes to smartphone screens? Drop a comment below and let's see where everyone stands. Let's dive into what's under the hood. The performance. The S25 Ultra is gearing up to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, giving it serious horsepower. We're talking 45% faster performance and 44% better power efficiency. Samsung's not just stepping up, they're making a statement. With the new Adreno GPU, gaming and graphics get a huge boost, up to 40% better gaming efficiency. And here's the kicker: with a 45% stronger NPU, this device will handle AI tasks faster and more efficiently than ever before. So whether you're into multitasking or serious gaming, the S25 Ultra has you covered. If this performance power-up sounds impressive, hit that like button to show some love for Samsung's powerhouse upgrades. Now, for all you photography buffs out there, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera setup is where things get exciting. Samsung's bringing back the fan favorite 200 megapixel main camera, a 10 megapixel telephoto lens, and a 50 megapixel periscope lens. But here's the twist: there's now a 50 megapixel ultra wide sensor to capture even more detail in every shot. But it doesn't stop there. With AI-driven improvements and the Snapdragon 8 Elite's advanced ISP, you'll be capturing 4K video with smarter focus, better low-light performance, and even a feature to remove unwanted objects from videos in real time. Imagine being able to take out that random passerby from your shot, just poof, gone. Who's excited about these camera upgrades? Let us know in the comments if you're as hyped as we are about these pro-level photography tools. Let's talk battery life. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to keep the 5,000 mAh battery we've come to expect from the S series. And with 45-watt fast charging, you're never tied to an outlet for long. But here's the big deal: with the new processor and software, you're looking at a device that's optimized to squeeze every last bit of juice from that battery. So, longer battery life? Absolutely. Imagine running intense apps or high-res gaming without watching your battery level drop like a rock. Now that's the kind of optimization we love to see. If a powerhouse battery is a must-have for you, give this video a thumbs up. Finally, let's talk software. Samsung's new One UI 7 will debut with the S25 Ultra, giving the phone a fresh, simplified interface with AI-driven enhancements. The quick settings menu is getting a revamp, and even searching within the device will now be faster thanks to upgraded AI capabilities. One UI 7 is also bringing more robust security features. Expect tools like anti-theft and advanced app permissions powered by Android 15's newest updates. And for those curious about satellite connectivity, yes, it's likely to be on board, meaning your phone can stay connected even when cellular networks are out of reach. Who doesn't want a personal AI that keeps their phone smarter, safer, and even easier to use? Let us know in the comments how you'd use Samsung's AI features in your daily life, keeping tabs on your lost keys maybe. And if you thought we were done, Samsung's bringing even more excitement. The S25 Ultra will come with a refined S Pen with enhanced pressure sensitivity, making it feel more natural than ever. Plus, with new color options and a titanium frame, this phone isn't just about tech, it's a fashion statement. So, are you ready for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? From the display to the camera, performance, and sleek design, Samsung is going all out. If you're as excited as we are, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest updates in tech. And before you go, tell us, which of these 5 features are you most excited about? Is it the powerhouse performance, the stunning new display, or maybe those AI camera upgrades? Let's hear your thoughts below. Peace.